Hi, welcome to Expert Village. Now that we have our oven warming, we're going to go ahead and prepare our fresh herbs. We're going to use Italian parsley here. We're going to chop this up real fine. We're also going to use some sage. Other herbs that you could use would be chives, thyme, cumin, although you'd want to use less. Only about 1.5 teaspoons for cumin. It's pretty strong. If you want to use dried herbs instead of fresh ones like we are, instead of using 2 to 3 tablespoons, you're going to use 2 to 3 teaspoons. And you can use any of your choice there as well. That should be about enough of the Italian parsley. Do a little sage here as well. We only need 2 to 3 tablespoons total. Okay, that'll give us 2 to 3 tablespoons. And we're going to take our butter, go ahead and put that in the microwave and melt it down.